I just discovered earlier that someone stole my video to sell smart hula hoops on Amazon. So basically, not too long ago, I was on Amazon. I typed in weighted hula hoop in the search bar. I scrolled down and this is what I saw. Yes, there's a clip from my smart hula hoop video comparison. So I did a comparison between smart hula hoops and there I am. Look, I'm even wearing the same shirt that I was wearing in that video. Yes, this I'm magical shirt. And they did not ask for my permission. And it's very frustrating. It's very frustrating, you know, that they're trying to sell a product using my video and they didn't ask for my permission. And you know, when it comes to making these videos, you know, I spend a lot of time on some of these videos. Like that video right there, it took me many hours to make that video and post it. And in that video, there is no sponsorships. I went and spent my own money to buy those smart hula hoops. Something else that's crazy, there was another recent incident that happened before I discovered my video on Amazon. I found out in a message from a person on Facebook that there was another company that stole my video to sell their weighted hula hoop. And I'm just like, what is going on here? At the very least, I would appreciate sellers of these hula hoops to reach out to me and ask me, hey, you know, can we use your clip? At the very least, giving me the option to either say yes or no. So all my viewers out there, if you come across companies that use my image to sell their products, please let me know. Come back to this video, jump down to the comments section and let me know the name of the company. Also provide a link. And if it turns out they didn't get my permission, then I would say don't buy any products from that company. In the description of this video, I'm gonna put a list of the companies that I don't recommend that you buy from because they are stealing my videos to sell their products. Now I'm done with my rant on that, but I will say, I just wanna say thank you to everybody out there watching me. I do get that there is a number of you that really like the content that I post here. I can see it in the comment section. Sometimes I get some of the most amazing, encouraging comments on my videos, just letting me know that, you know, I'm doing a great job, and I really appreciate that.